and welcome to the last lesson practice. Are you ready to start reading yet? Let's try this last practice session before we do that. So without further ado, pause the video now to try reading the first line yourself, and then unpause to read it with me. Let's begin. Ki, ki, kai, ke, ku. Next line. Ra, ro, ro, r, ru. Shai, she, shu. Sha, sa. Tav, tav. T, ti. T, T. Did you get that right? Try rewatching the video and see if you can get more of them right. And if something is not clear, try rewatching the last lesson to see if you can get a specific concept better understood. Okay, well done on completing all of these practice little mini courses. And now you're ready to start reading. See you there. Bye-bye.